Certainly, ASEAN is a very interesting region. As you may be aware, it has now close to 630 million people. It is the sixth largest economy in the world and the third largest in Asia. And what is very interesting about the demographics is that more than 50% of its population is under 30. So you're dealing with millennials, you're dealing with people who are very tech savvy. The way they communicate, the way they deal with technology, the way they purchase, they make decisions are all changing. So I think there is a lot of opportunity there because one of the important things is to remember that ASEAN is now becoming very connected. And as a consequence of connectivity, whether from the logistics perspective or through digitalization or even through e-commerce, it is very, very easy now to consider a business model and a business innovation that encompasses the entire region. So I would certainly say that to a certain extent, you should be looking at technology sweet spots within that to try to tap that. The other thing is that less understood, but certainly an important area to remember, is the ASEAN Economic Community, the ASEAN EC for short, which was launched in 2015. There are a lot of opportunities for movement of trade and goods and also licenses to practice within ASEAN. And from the inception, IP has always been a very important part of the ASEAN Economic Community blueprint, especially for the 2025 vision, where we're trying to integrate the region through IP. So as a consequence, one of the things that I think, again, young companies, tech startups should be looking for would be how they can use this, how they can look at the integration of IP for ASEAN to grow their own business. And what's interesting also that follows is that there is a lot of money that's going after this. So earlier I moderated a panel where we have 3 large companies, 1 Thai company, as well as 2 Singapore-based companies. And all 3 companies were looking for good technology, good startups to invest in. So there is money chasing after good technology. And as a consequence, I would certainly say that, keep driving towards this goal and protect your IP early. Because if they're going to look at investing in you, you need to have your IP in place.